Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost in the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is leech protection and how to enable and disable leech protection in cPanel. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video.
This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track.
Let's see what is leech protection. Leech protection is nothing but a security feature, usually in cPanel, that stops user from sharing login credentials for password protected areas by detecting and blocking excessive login attempts. In shortly, it prevents unauthorized access of the content. We can use it to protect the sensitive content like member areas or paid subscriptions from unauthorized access due to credential sharing or brute force attacks. This option will make your site more secure. Now let's see how to enable and disable the leech protection in cPanel. As a first step, log into a cPanel account. In the cPanel dashboard, if you scroll down, you can see the section named Security. In the Security section, you can see the option named Leech Protection. Click and open it. In this page, you can see your website files folders. You can able to enable the leech protection for all the folders in your website. Now I am going to show you how to enable leech protection for public HTML folder. Right side you can see the edit option, click it. You can see the set of options to configure the leech protection. First option will be the number of login attempts. Here enter the number of logins per username allowed in the 2 hour period. Minimum login attempts will be 4. Second option will be URL to redirect leech users to. Here we have to enter the URL outside the leech protected area, or else the leech users will get an internal server error message. And the third option will be send email alert to. Here enter your email ID that you want to receive the leech alerts and tick the checkbox. And tick the checkbox disable compromised accounts. If you tick this option, cPanel will disable the passwords of the user who trigger leech protection. Now click on the enable option. Now your leech protection is enabled. On the same page, if you scroll down, you can see the option named manage users. This option is used to protect a folder with the username and password. We can only able to access the particular website file with the username and password. We need to configure this option to use the leech protection on the same directory. To configure it, follow the steps. Click on the manage users option. Click the checkbox password protect this directory. Now click on the save option. Now you can see the password protection for the particular directory is enabled. Click on the go back button. We need to create a username and password. In the username field, enter the user's username. In the new password and the current password field, please enter your desired password. Or else you can click on the password generator option to generate a new password. Once you generate a password, tick the checkbox and click on the use password button to use the password. Now click on the save button to save the user. Now you can see that the user has been successfully added. To check the leech protection, load your website. Now you can see that it was asking for username and password to access the public HTML folder. Here enter your username and password. Once the password and the username has been entered, click on the sign in button. Now you can see that your website is accessible. Now you will have one doubt, when and where did the leech protection error triggers? A user exceeds the login limit from different IP addresses, cPanel assumes this as conditional sharing and triggers actions like redirection or suspension as per your configured settings. Now let's see how to disable the leech protection. Now go to the same leech protection settings page. Now you can see the leech protection enabled folder shows the shield symbol on the edit option. In this page, if you scroll down, you can see the option named disable. Click on it. Now your leech protection is disabled. And now to disable the directory privacy, go to the same page. There you can see the checkbox to stick the password protect this directory. Uncheck the tick box and click the save button. Now the directory privacy has been disabled successfully. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the instant update about the videos, don't forget to press the bell icon.